I'm going to take you through the steps for creating a Second Life account. The first thing that you'll need to do is to create a username. Please be aware that whatever this username is that you choose will be displayed along with your avatar. There is a way to change what name is displayed with your avatar. There's a choice of using the username, which we're going to create right now, or something that Second Life refers to as a display name, and I'll show you that in a separate video. But please keep in mind, if the username is what I will be using to cross-reference any work that you do within Second Life and your actual name for grading purposes. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do this. So let's say I want to create an avatar called Dr. Hornick. That could be my username. I'm going to go ahead and create a password. So there's, let's see, a password. And then you create whatever look that you want. I think I'm going to have my avatar look like that. Please keep in mind that you could change the look of your avatar at any point once you arrive in Second Life. Then it's just a matter of filling in the form. So let me finish doing this information. And once you've filled in all that information, you can go ahead and create your account. And you'll notice that an activation email was sent to whatever email address you provided it. So then the next thing to do is to go and check for that email. So here is the email that I received from Second Life, and it says to click on this link to activate my account. So there I go, clicking on that link. It's going through and activating my account, and I am all set. It says to make a selection. All that is necessary for this course is to use the free basic account. So once you do that, you're simply going to download and install Second Life. So you click that, you save the file, and you load up the software. And that's it. Those are the steps necessary for creating your account and for downloading the software. Okay, now that we've created an account and downloaded the software, I just want to show you the steps for logging in. So obviously under username, you're going to type in your username. For password, you're going to type in your password, and then you're going to click log in. When you log in, the first thing that you're going to get is typical software terms of service. Click agree and then continue. Now here I am. I've logged in, and you'll notice a couple things. Number one, you'll notice a couple things. This is the avatar I just created, so there I am. You'll also notice above my name it says Dr. Hornick, and you'll notice that where we are is someplace called Welcome Island. We are here because what I did was I started Second Life right after I created my account. This is not our island on Second Life where you're going to be doing your assignments and where all the accounting material and learning objects are. You could go there directly once you've created your account, and I will show you that in just a few minutes. But if you do want to simply create your account and then log in, you'll be taken to this welcome area, and you will have a tutorial that you could go through, which will give you a orientation of how to use Second Life. And it's a very good idea to do this. I provide other orientation sites for you, and that's all available on our wiki, but this is just one of the methods for getting initially into Second Life and for getting an orientation on how it can be used. The next thing I'm going to do is show you how you can first arrive directly at our island in Second Life if you wish to bypass the welcome. The easiest way to initially get to our island, if you wish to again bypass the help island, is to go to our Second Life wiki page, and you'll see a link that you could click on, which will take you directly to our island. So once you click on this link, you'll notice that it opens up a new web page, and this web page has basically a picture of what our island looks like. And if you click on this button right here that says teleport now, two things are going to happen. It's going to ask you to launch Second Life. Again, I use a Mac, so that will look a little differently if you're on a PC. But then it will automatically open up this Second Life software. You again type in your username and password and then log in, and notice right down here where it says start at, it's plugged in the name of our island. So now I am going to log in, and you'll notice that once we have arrived in just a second, that we are on our island within Second Life. So this is our island. You'll see right here to the right something that says click me for help. That's probably the first thing that you should do. And those are the steps for getting an account, downloading the software, and arriving in our location in Second Life.